Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we just started Java, different types of Java maps. So Java maps one of the data structures, and it comes under collections. So Java collections, and we have different varieties of maps, HashMap, HashTable, and we are just going to see the difference between Java HashMap and also the HashTable. So in my previous video, I explained what we are going to do with this kind of tutorial. I mean, just going to the difference of two things like hash map and a hash not hash set hash table. What exactly we are going to do with this kind of tutorial? So we explain how we are going to learn hash map and hash table. So we are taking a different approach, taking hash map, hash table, and we are going to discuss about the differences, and from the differences itself we will learn something. And by doing so, we have the opportunity to understand where we will use the hash map, where we will use the hash table. So right now I just list one thing like null value handling. So the main difference, the first difference, we can make it as a first difference, but actually it's not the primary difference between hash map and hash table. But in our tutorial we are considering this is the first, because we are giving more priority to the development things rather than theoretical aspect. So we will see how we can see the difference between null value handling between hash map and hash table. So I'm trying to add something into test hash map. So any hash map, hash table, we will usually do for try, and I'm trying to add some null. Let's see what's gonna happen in this scenario. And it looks fine. So right now another thing I need to do, I need to parse and print whatever in the hash table or hash map, wherever we are, whenever we are defining, we need to print that into the output console. So that's a pending task right now. So I will search for printing key value in HashMap Java 8. Okay, so that's actually parsing through the list and we will print, right? So in Java 8 we can do that very easily comparing to older versions of Java. So we will see how we can do that. And also map for each, yeah, there is one simple implementation. So I'm using that, just making it as a this one. It's like a for each loop that I use. Okay, so now stroke now. Okay, so that's fine. So right now I'm trying to do the same things with hash set, hash table. So trying to change this into and okay. So hash table is here, HashMap is here. We are trying to run again. You will see there is an exception, null pointer exception. So if you are just to remove this one, what's gonna happen here? Null pointer exception. So even if put will not succeed. So this is not the problem. This is the problem. You are trying to add null values to a hash table. It will end up in exception. So here I am commenting out that part and trying to add some value here. Let's see whether it's also end up in, yeah, let's also end up in null pointer exception. And another variant we need to check. I'm putting null here. The value is going to be null. This also end up in exception. So that's the difference. Null value handling. Also another thing here, I add null value here, and I am trying to put some other null values here for the map. So if I have some null in this one, what's gonna happen? Okay, it's not, I can enter only one key, and that's the difference. Okay, and if I am trying to add this one, what's gonna happen? I have two things. One is null, the value is null, another one this way. So that's the thing. So in HashMap, null acceptable, HashTable not taking null. Okay, so this is a simple understandable things for HashMap and HashTable. So thank you for watching. Next video we will continue about the difference between HashMap and HashTable. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.